All right, to close out day one, it is my pleasure to introduce Dr. Yang Wang, who serves as the Deputy Director for the Division of Therapeutic Performance 1 within the Office of Research and Standards, Office of Generic Drugs. Dr. Wang leads efforts to facilitate pre-application development of generic drugs and promotes regulatory science research to establish standards that ensure therapeutic equivalence of new generic drug products. She has been with the FDA since 2013 and has expertise in complex drug products, including parenteral, ophthalmic, otic, intravaginal, and intrauterine formulations. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Yan Wang.
Thank you, Maria, for the kind introduction. Hello, everyone. As we conclude the first day of our Advancing Generic Development workshop, I will take the next few minutes to reflect on the valuable insights we have shared today and look ahead to tomorrow's continued discussion. Today, we really have covered substantial ground in advancing our understanding of complex generic drug development. In session one, we focused on the product-specific guidance development. We explored from the subject matter expert triage teams that was initiated about 4 years ago, really has all the subject matter experts across the CDER Center from Office of New Drugs, Office of Generic Drugs, Office of Pharmaceutical Quality to really integrate all the expertise to timely identify the potential research need to enable the development of scientifically sound bioequivalent approaches. Then we also heard the unique challenges on different product categories, including complex implants, metered-dose inhalers, topical formulations to highlight the research effort that went behind the scene into our new PSG development or revision. So the collaborative discussions really showcase how our research translates directly into the practical assessment standard and recommendations that really benefit the FDA, generic industry, and ultimately our patients. Then in section 2, we have heard the innovative approaches to bioequivalent study design. We discussed how the biopharmaceutics classification system can streamline development pathways and explored sophisticated modeling approach to address how to apply the utilizing the BCS waiver when the general guideline criteria is not met, or how to correct the carryover for certain long half-life drug products when the washout is incomplete, and also when our DRS is not available, how to possibly bring a generic into the market by extrapolating PK to an alternative comparator. Then we also discussed the strategies to mitigate the failure rate of PKB studies and use those to also develop practical solutions for guiding the selection of a study population. So during the panel, I think you can, it was clearly demonstrated all the cases we have shared. Those are just highlight, the possibilities of certain innovative approaches, and certainly there are a lot of additional nuanced thinking that will require more in-depth discussion that could benefit from, the communication with the agency, either through control correspondences or meetings. So all these scientific advances really represent real progress in making generic development more efficient while we still maintain our rigorous scientific standards. So tomorrow, we will dive deeper into more chemistry-related practical challenges. We will examine common deficiencies and their resolutions to various complex drug substances, excipients, and address practical topic of nitrosamine impurities for risk assessment and control. So with that, I really thank all our speakers, panelists for sharing their expertise, and to thank our audience for your thoughtful questions and engagement. The quality of our discussion today really reflects the collaborative spirit drives the innovation in the generic drug development. Please join us tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Eastern as we continue building our scientific foundation for more efficient and effective generic drug approval pathways. Wish everyone have a good one, and we look forward to seeing you here tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Wang, for wrapping up an insightful first day of our workshop. Thank you again for your attendance, and this concludes day 1, and we are excited to welcome you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern for day 2. As a reminder, the same link you used to join today will allow you to join tomorrow. Thank you so much again, and we wish everyone a great rest of your day, and see you all tomorrow morning.